everyone, welcome to Hope Worldwide. Today I'm going to launch a new segment which is called Make It Easy segment for Academia, where we can learn lots of mnemonics, acronyms and keywords for easier understanding and better learning. So today I'm going to focus on principles of management, which is Fayol's 14 principles of management. Hope you'll enjoy learning. Okay, so let's look at the keyword for 14 principles of management. So I've made here 4 categories to make you to understand in a very clear way. DAD, U2, SRCS, OC, OESIE. Now let's learn the expansion. The first category, DAD, division of labor, authority, responsibility and discipline. Going to the second category, U2, unity of command and unity of direction. The third category is SRCS. S stands for subordination, R stands for remuneration, C stands for centralization versus decentralization, and S stands for scalar chain of command. Now, let's go to the last category is OC, OESIE. Order, equity, stability of tenure, initiative, and esprit de corps, which implies team spirit.